Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix a Google suspended profile. So having your Google business profile suspended can be stressful, especially if your local service business relies on it for visibility. But don't worry, fixing a suspended profile is doable if you follow the right steps. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to reinstate your profile and get it back on track. So first, let's understand the types of suspensions. So you would have the hard suspension. This would mean that your profile is entirely removed from search and maps. And then you would have the soft suspension. So Google just needs to re-verify your business. So now let's focus on what to do if your profile has been suspended. So now let's get over with the steps. So number one would be to review your profile details. Check that your business name matches your official business documentation, no keyword stuffing. And you would also need to verify your phone number, website link, and hours of operations and categories for accuracy. And ensure that reviews are legitimate, no buying or gaming reviews. And then number two would be to understand why it was suspended. Suspensions often happen due to using an address incorrectly, like a home address for a service area business, or you have violated the Google's guidelines. Examples are using keyword loaded business names. And now the third step would be to gather required documents. Google will require proof of your business legitimacy, including your employer identification number, which is your official tax ID document with your business name, and other documents such as business licenses, utility bills, insurance certificates, business cards, or brochures with your registered name. Make sure all this match the name and details on your Google profile. And now for the fourth step is that you would need to log in into your Google Business Profile Manager. So click here on Sign In and then just log in into your account. After that, you would need to fill out the reinstatement form, including your business name and address, link to your profile, documentation proving your business legitimacy. And after that, submit and wait for Google's response, which is typically a few days. After that is step number 5, which is the verification options for self-suspension. So Google may ask for additional verification via phone or email verification, or it could also ask for a video verification wherein you use your phone to show your business setup, including the signage, documents, and the workspace. And now let me tell you on the common issues you would want to avoid. So make sure to not use keyword stuffed names like plumber near me. You just use your registered business name only. And then if you operate as a service area business, ensure that your address is set up that it complies with Google's guidelines. And our pro tip, maintaining consistent and accurate information across all platforms like Google, employer identification number documents, websites, and more will prevent future suspensions. So if you have followed these steps, you should be on track to reinstate your Google business profile successfully. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.